Molweni namkelekile nonke kwezitshisa be entertainment guys siyazi into yoba this past weekend ke sana bekumanzi phansi because utata Mseleku revealed a few things about a relationship kaMpumelelo Vuyokazi and umayeni guys ebethukwa left right and center zifans ke zikaVuyokazi calling her out into yoba wakhohlekalela omnye umntwana. Of course there are fans that were siding with umayeni, there are fans that were siding with Vuyokazi, and sisajonge loo nto ke we thought maybe umayeni would come forward aze ke azoba live azochaza istory sakhe, but guess what, none of that happened. Instead uMpumelelo was the one oye wathi some of you niyomangala. And now once again ke utata Mseleku has joined us guys, uye wabaposta ceba uye wabona uba oh ifamily yam iyatrenda. Same thing he did with uMakhumalo the time wayetrenda, wayeke waposta wenza i-apology engavakaliyo. So I want to 100% believe that this is the same tactic he's using kumayeni ke uya wabakhipha, and i-caption yakhe ke guys ibisithi ukukhula akulula. Okay, and of course again the fans once again they are still stuck by what was trending episode ke ya Friday guys. Someone said yey umqhathile uShibase Nezwe and you are 100% wrong for doing what you did. Another person said basho kodwa abafazi bakhe bathi he is the reason why bengavani, uyaxabanisa ngoba why engayicacisi uba there was a fake account that was insulting umayeni and her sisters ezenza uvuyo. Kwakumele ukuthi uye wachaza. Kukhona ke some people that were coming forward ke manje coming for umayeni. One person said yey ukhohlakele umayeni okanye usile kabi umayeni, and some were calling her iwitch. Ininzi nje into ibisenzeka kula post you guys, but and of course you guys that would be the only post that we have received. I want to 100% believe that i-apology yakhe ke udada uMosa Mseleku. Enye into ke guys that I wanted to touch base on, bendibusy nge-weekend kakhulu. I think I posted so many updates so I ndakhathala, but ke kwakhona nenye ke i-segment eyekhalisa abantu especially i-fans zikamayeni whereby ke utata uMosa Mseleku together with the production bemxelela into yoba if she does not attend idina akazuyifumana i-paycheck yakhe from uThando Lesithembu because i-contract awayisayinayo iyambhanda into yoba maka-attende all the dinners and shoot all the scenes in order into yoba makareceive imali yakhe. Now umayeni of course guys uye wachaza into yoba uyazigulela akaziva kakuhle, and so therefore ucela ungayi-athendi idina. You guys kwaba yinto enkulu ke leyo kutata uMosa Mseleku. As a result the fans were really disappointed because kaloku kukhona umacele, how many occasions has she ever missed guys? Ikhona na any scene or any segment or episode apho utata uMosa Mseleku has ever gone to Macele ayomxelela into yoba because wena you missed A, B, C and D, then it means that wena you are not going to get paid. Then why is umayeni being treated differently if utata Mseleku wonke amakhosikazi akhe uthi ngondlunkulu? Then we are seeing now that we are, or rather they are being mocked because in actual fact abangabo ondlunkulu, because at the end of the day uMacele is the only one who gets those special treatments. Now kukhona ke abaye bamthethelela ke uMacele besithi no guys, obviously uMacele thina asiyazi i-contract yakhe, asikwazi ukuqhathanisa umayeni nomacele sithi because umacele this and this and that, because asiyazi ba ithini eyakhe i-contract. Each and every wife bane-contract zabo and they have their obligations for those particular contracts. So asikwazi thina ukufike sesingene sesiqambuluka sisithi hayi akafaniswa nomacele akathini. Anyways, I also wanted to congratulate uMacele guys, udayisa ke uForever Living recently ke uye wapromoter to a supervisor. So a huge massive congratulations. All the wives seem to be doing pretty well. This is to also say that uMacele seyasebenza ngoku is not only dependent on the other wives financially. Imali yakhe uyazenzela on the side. So yeah guys, nazo ke indaba ze horror. Do let me know your thoughts and I will surely see you shortly. Bye guys.